Alright, I'll be feeding the goldfish, the goldfishes, the goldfishes. Wait lang, I need to get the food. I'll show you the food, guys. I'll be using this one. Mhm. I'll feed them. I will feed my goldfishes today with this one you see. Wait, wait. Maybe this is enough. This is enough. Okay, wait. I will feed them. Hello. 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 Let's put it. Let's do this side because this side has. Okay. Here, 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 here. Okay, eat that. Eat. Eat it. Wow, you are eating fast. Here, now there's a lot here, guys. Okay, kumain kayo. Kumain kayo na marami. Mga butchok. Kumain kayo mga butchok. Ayan, I think that's a lot already. Wait lang. I'll put more. Because all of them are hungry. There. That should be fine. Ooh, there are there are foods in here. Oh no, I think I have a lonely goldfish. Hello, quiz. Pwede ba mag-alaga ng feeder sa 2.5 gallon? 2.5 gallon? I'm not sure, pero parang maliit masyado ang 2.5 gallon. Uy, look at that oh. Ay, ako. Something, I have a sick fish. Oh no, it has a fin rot or tail rot. Uh-uh. Parang, I need to put it in methylene blue. Methylene blue. Magkano po nagastos niyo dyan sa... Oh, goldfish. Parang, kasi 2 years na ako nag-goldfish eh. Hindi ko na alam. But this tank cost, like that is big. Cost only 1,500. Ganyan kalaking tank. And, ba't naging 1,500 lang? Because the seller didn't know na the price should be higher. And I also learned na nabili ko na siya. So, it was the miss of the seller, hindi sa akin. Swerte lang. And the goldfish, all of them, no. The pet grade goldfish, mas pet grade kaysa yung quality grade. So yeah, pet grade lang yan lahat. What fish po yung nasa ilalim? Oh, which this these tanks? I'll feed them too. Wait.